Welcome back to Sir B YouTube channel. Today, we are going to solve a very interesting Math Olympiad problem. So here is the problem. X raised to x equals 4 raised to x plus 16. So in this kind of problem, we can work on the right side of the equation first. So that is x raised to x equals, we can split this as 4 raised to x times 4 raised to 16. Why is that? That is applying the law of exponents. Now, let us divide both sides by 4 raised to x. Why? So that the right side is just a constant. Cancel, cancel. We have x raised to x over 4 raised to x equals 4 raised to 16. Now, they have the same exponent, and that is x. So the left side of the equation can be expressed as x over 4 raised to x equals 4 raised to 16. So we can see now that the answer is x is equal to 16. Why? 16, 16, same exponent. 16 over 4 is equal to 4, right? Same base. So the answer is x is equal to 16. Let us prove if that is really the correct answer. Now, let us use the original equation. X raised to x, 16 raised to 16 equals 4 raised to x, and that is 16 plus 16. Okay? So let us prove that this left side is equal to the right side. Okay? We know that 16 is equal to 4 times 4, right? So 4 times 4 then raised to 16 equals 4 raised to 16 plus 16. Now, we can split this as 4 raised to 16 times 4 raised to 16. And that is equal to 4 raised to 16 plus 16. Now, applying the law of exponents, same base, so we will be adding the exponents. So this is really equal to the right side of the equation. Amazing.